I've never had an electric toothbrush until now. Now this is going to be the PopSonic electric toothbrush. It's supposed to have 2 different speed settings and a 2-minute timer with 30-second interval indicators. And most importantly is that this is going to have soft bristles. So I want to go ahead and test this out to see how well it works. Now inside the box, there's not going to be too many things. We're going to have the instructions, a battery, the electric toothbrush, and an extra brush head. Now the electric toothbrush itself isn't too big, and if we want to get to the bottom compartment, we just have to go ahead and hold the head right over here, then twist counterclockwise and then lift upwards, and it reveals the battery socket. So after putting the battery, we can fit this back over. Just make sure the brush head is facing more towards the right side, and then you can give it a good push, and then twist counterclockwise and it locks in place. Now replacing the brush head is pretty easy as well too. We just have to hold onto the head and this white portion, and we want to turn counterclockwise and then pull upwards, and the head comes right off. And then we can just put it back again, making sure that this part is facing towards the left side, and then we can turn it clockwise and it locks back in place. Now using the electric toothbrush itself was pretty interesting just because I didn't really have to do a lot of work besides moving it around, and I didn't have to apply too much pressure just because the vibration itself was plenty to go ahead and give me a good brush. And after 30 seconds, the vibration stopped, just letting you know to switch sides. So the minute you turn this on, you start at high speed, and if you press the button again, it'll go to low speed, and then you press the button again, it'll turn off. But I just remained at high speed because that's what felt the best. So this is a timer for 2 minutes, and what I noticed is if I start at high and after a minute I switch to low, it's going to go ahead and reset the timer. Now when compared to a regular toothbrush, this is of course going to be a little bit heavier, and it's not going to be the most comfortable compared to the handle just because this doesn't really have any soft grip compared to my Colgate toothbrush, but nonetheless it doesn't make it uncomfortable. I could still go ahead and fit it in my hand, but if you had a slightly bigger hand, you might not be able to fit it fully. Now because this does have a flat bottom, you can just easily stand it up, unlike my other toothbrush which I have to go ahead and lay down. So overall I'm pretty happy with this electric toothbrush. It was easy to use, it's compact, it has this nice travel case, so whenever I want to go on a trip and I want to bring a toothbrush, I can just go ahead and put this in my bag. But yeah, that's a quick look at the electric toothbrush.